can help alleviate coughs and colds by acting as an expectorant, making it easier to clear mucus from the airways. Growing thyme is simple. It thrives in well-drained soil and requires plenty of sunlight, making it suitable for both gardens and pots. In the kitchen, thyme adds flavor to a variety of dishes. At the same time, it can also be used in herbal remedies, such as teas or syrups, to soothe respiratory issues and promote overall wellness. Yarrow. Yarrow is a powerful herb known for its healing properties, particularly in treating wounds and reducing inflammation.